skincare and your microbiome, gut flora. Do you want healthy, glowing skin? Then it's time to look at probiotics and the science behind how they can benefit your skin health. In this video, we'll explore the relationship between your gut flora and skin health, and how probiotics can be used to improve both. So if you're looking for a healthier, happier complexion, this is the video to watch. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where we talk about the microbiome and gut flora. This video will help you understand how probiotics can be used to improve your skin health. Tune in to learn all about the connection between our gut flora and skin. What are the microbiome and gut flora, and how do they affect skincare? To understand the importance of probiotics and their role in skin health, let's take a look at the microbiome and gut flora. The human body harbors trillions of microbes, both good and bad. The microbiome is the community of microorganisms that live on and in our bodies. The gut flora is the name for the bacteria that live in our intestines. The microbiome or gut flora plays a significant role in our skin health. The microbiome helps keep the skin healthy by regulating inflammation, fighting infection, and maintaining the barrier function of the skin. The gut flora also plays a role in skin health by producing important nutrients like vitamins K and B. Vitamin K has been shown to help protect the collagen in our bodies, which is what gives skin its elasticity. By maintaining a healthy production of collagen, we can achieve younger-looking and more voluminous skin. Vitamin D is important for keeping the skin moisturized and preventing cell damage. Both of these factors can help keep skin looking radiant and blissful. Additionally, the microbiome and gut flora have an impact on several aspects of skin health, such as acne, eczema, wrinkles, and psoriasis. What links the gut to the skin? Recent research has begun to uncover the link between our gut and our skin. The skin is a reflection of what's happening inside the body, so it makes sense that inflammation in the gut can cause issues on the surface of our skin as well. The connection seems to be related to a compromised immune system, which is often caused by imbalances in the gut microbiome, leading to an overactive immune response that impacts both the skin and the gut. This connection is known as the gut-skin axis. The gut-skin axis has been identified as a key factor in many skin conditions such as acne. This axis also plays a role in the production of inflammatory molecules called cytokines, which can cause inflammation and irritation both inside and outside the body. By understanding this link between our gut and skin, we can begin to take steps to improve skin health from within by restoring balance in the gut microbiome. This brings us to the next point: ways to restore your gut flora. Maintaining a healthy balance between beneficial bacteria and harmful bacteria in the gut can help ensure our skin stays healthy. The best way to keep the balance of the microbiome and gut flora in check is to eat a healthy diet. The types and amount of food we eat affect the microbes in our gut. Eating a diet rich in plant-based foods including fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds provides a wide variety of fiber that helps feed bacteria in the gut. Eating fermented foods such as kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, miso, and tempeh can also help promote a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. We have a full video on foods to eat to restore your gut flora. Kindly check it out. I will share the link in the description. Limit processed foods. Eating a lot of highly processed foods can be detrimental to the gut flora. Processed foods are often low in fiber, which is essential for maintaining a balanced gut microbiome. Limiting processed and refined foods can help promote a more diverse microbial population in the gut. Get enough sleep. As much as possible, try to aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep daily. Sleep is key in maintaining a healthy balance between good and bad bacteria in the gut. Through sleeping, our bodies are able to rest and repair, allowing beneficial bacteria to thrive while suppressing inflammation in the gut. Exercise regularly. I know this seems like a tall order, but physical activity helps promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. By exercising, you can help reduce stress, which has been linked to an imbalance in the gut microbiome. Probiotics. Additionally, probiotics can help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut and promote overall health. Probiotic-rich foods such as kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir will help maintain strong skin health. By taking care of our gut microbiome and gut flora, we can help ensure our skin stays healthy and vibrant. Making these changes can help strengthen the gut-skin axis, improving overall skin health. In addition to making dietary changes, there are other treatments available that can help improve gut and skin health. These include probiotic supplements, prebiotics, antifungals, and natural antibiotics. Working with a healthcare provider can help you determine the best course of action for improving your gut-skin axis and ultimately your skin health. Supplements that can improve skin health. Taking certain vitamins and supplements can help improve skin health. Vitamin C, zinc, and biotin are all important for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Taking omega-3 fatty acids, probiotics, and CoQ10 help to improve the health of gut flora, which can in turn improve the quality of the skin. Vitamin A helps support collagen production and skin cell renewal, while vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from free radical damage. Additionally, antioxidants such as resveratrol may help reduce inflammation in the skin and help protect against sun damage. Resveratrol is found in grapes, peanuts, cocoa, and berries of Vaccinium species, including blueberries, bilberries, and cranberries. In grapes, resveratrol is found only in the skin. Finally, turmeric helps reduce inflammation in the body, which can help with skin health. For best results, I will insist it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement program. They can assess your current levels of nutrition and make specific recommendations for your needs. Additionally, they may be able to provide guidance on dosages, side effects, and any potential interactions with other medications or supplements. Taking the right combination of supplements can help improve skin health and have a positive impact on overall wellness. Effects of leaky gut on skin. We have seen that our gut flora has a direct impact on our skin health. But how exactly does having a leaky gut affect the care of your skin? The gut-skin connection is strong and interconnected. When the barrier functions of the intestine are disrupted due to a leaky gut, this can lead to the migration of toxins and bacteria into the bloodstream, which can then travel to the skin. This process is known as translocation. This leads to a disorder known as leaky gut syndrome. Leaky gut syndrome, otherwise known as increased intestinal permeability, is a disorder that manifests in the digestive system. It occurs when the lining of the intestine becomes damaged and vulnerable to undigested food particles and bacteria seeping into the bloodstream. The body then mounts an immune response, which can lead to systemic inflammation. This can have a negative impact on your skin, leading to problems such as acne, redness, dryness, and other signs of inflammation. The leaky gut syndrome can also lead to a condition called dysbiosis, or an imbalance of good and bad bacteria in the gut. This imbalance can alter your skin microbiome, leading to further problems with your skin. Gut flora and skin complexion. Skincare is a reflection of our overall health, and our gut health might be the key to unlocking that glow. Research has shown that certain foods can have an effect on our complexion. For example, eating too much sugar can cause our skin to become inflamed, leading to breakouts. Additionally, some people have noticed that their skin is more prone to breakouts when they eat foods such as dairy or wheat. A darker complexion may also be linked to altered gut microbiota. A study conducted in 2018 found that individuals with darker skin had higher levels of certain species of bacteria, which might explain why they are more prone to hyperpigmentation and other issues affecting their complexion. On the other hand, lighter skin might be linked to increased levels of certain species of bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium that protect the skin from UV damage. Overall, there is still much that needs to be learned about the connection between gut health and skin complexion. Conclusion: to have healthy skin, you need to cut off some habits and start taking steps toward nourishing the gut microbiome. This includes being mindful of your diet, lifestyle, and mostly your skincare products. What are some of the things you're doing in your life that are preventing you from achieving vibrant skin? Make a list and start taking steps to eliminate them so you can get your dream skin. Leave a comment on what topic you would like to be covered concerning gut flora. If you have gained some valuable insight from this video and would like to learn more about gut flora, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thank you for watching.